Hey guys, so my brother was extremely generous recently and he bought me a present, and his words to me were, "You will always remember the plane that you learnt to fly in." And I've had this open, I have had it open, but we've recently moved house and we haven't had anywhere to put it as well because we've been doing renovations. But I've finally got everything ready and to a point where we can get this present out and set it up and give it a place of honor. So I would like to share with you this awesome present that he got me. It comes in an amazing case. Now for the big reveal. All right, she's packaged in upside down, beautifully cased in foam, but it is a scale model replica of my Bristol. That is absolutely beautiful. I haven't had this out for a couple of months, but I still am blown away with how beautiful this is. The detail in this is incredible, even down to Bristol on the side, the GPS receiver on the front there, the antenna, everything on it is perfect. Let's get it out of the box and set it on its base. Underneath it has a tiny little screw, and you take the screw out and then it sits on the little pin. So there's a little tiny little pin and the plane sits on the pin, and then you put the screw through so that it doesn't fall off the base. Now the base has a bit of weight to it. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I can't believe the detail in it. So I'm not exactly sure where my brother got it done, but if any one of you would like to have their aeroplane done, please message me in the comments and I'll find out from my brother where he got this done, and I'll let you know so that you can get your aeroplane done, or maybe a present for someone else.